Okay, so the main chemical reaction going on here is when the Alka-Seltzer combines with the water. Alka-Seltzer contains sodium bicarbonate and citric acid, and when mixed with water they combine to form sodium citrate and carbonic acid. And the carbonic acid in an aqueous solution dissociates into carbon dioxide and water, and the carbon dioxide is what forms the bubbles that come up to make the level.
All right, the first thing we're going to do is put 1/4 of this water in each bottle. So we're going to move some of this into this bottle. And after we do that, we're going to add oil about 3/4 of the way on both. And then we're going to wait now for the oil and water to completely separate. All right, so now that the water is settled away from the oil, we're going to add 8 to 10 drops of food coloring, any color of your choice. We're using blue and green. And we're going to wait for the food coloring to mix completely with the water. All right, next we broke up Alka-Seltzer pieces in about 4 or 5 pieces that we're going to put in each, and we're going to see what happens.
Okay, so originally when the water and oil are added together, they separate because the density. Oil sits on top of the water because it has lower density than water. It's also why everything else that floats in water does, because it's less dense than water. So once the food coloring is added to the bottle, it falls through the oil and mixes with the water. And after the food coloring mixes with the water, pieces of the Alka-Seltzer will be dropped in, create the effect of the lava lamp with the carbon dioxide bubbling and coming up. The Alka-Seltzer is added to create the fizz because it contains citric acid and sodium bicarbonate, which reacts with water to form carbon dioxide gas and sodium citrate. And that's where the cool bubbling effect occurs.